Kelly, and I am back with another layout. So these are 3 pictures of Jolly Bridge, which is the bridge that goes from the mainland of Florida to Marco Island. And that has become a special spot because I vacation on Marco Island with some friends, and that's kind of like the gateway, and it's just kind of a cool sight as well from the water. We were on a boat when I took these photos. And then it's always when I reach the bridge, because usually they're already there, I text them and let them know I'm coming. So it's always kind of a cool thing. Anyway, that really neat background paper with the kind of looks like swipes of paint is from Pink Paisley. It's the Indigo and Ivy number 9 paper. And then I wanted something that had a bit of a contrast to that blue. So I took a basil embossed dot paper. I don't know exactly which color that is. There's no strip on it because I think I've already cut it off when I was going to use it for something else, but it's a lighter blue, so it's a little bit more of a contrast to that darker blue and the different tones of the darker blue on that Pink Paisley paper. So then I'm choosing some things, some cut aparts here. The Choose Happy and the top 5 are both from the cut apart sheet from Indigo and Ivy, but I don't know what the name of that is. So I'm wanting to use those. And I am thinking about doing weekend good times because when I do this, I usually go for a long weekend. But I wasn't loving the way that looked, although I did like the idea of the gold. So I'm going to go through my sticker sheets here for Indigo and Ivy. And somehow I ended up with 2 of them. So I have plenty to choose from. Right now, though, I'm taking my Memento Dewdrop ink in gray flannel, which you will recognize. I say that every time if you watch my videos. I love that. That's my favorite ink by far. And I just inked those edges. And now we're using the stickers. And it's the Pink Paisley, Indigo, and Ivy stickers. It's a 6 by 12 sheet that really opens up to a 12 by 12. And so I'm just looking for some things. I chose that banner, and the gold from the weekend gave me the idea to use gold accents on this. So you're seeing the banner. I took a little phrase strip that said perfect weather because, well, it was January when I took these photos. So on the day we were out on the boat, the weather was perfect. It did get a little cooler, but you know, in the 60s is much nicer in Florida in January than it is in Wisconsin in January because the 2 lowest temperatures in my area were set on my birthday twice. So anyway, and then I grabbed another phrase sticker that says relax, pop that on top because that is definitely what I do. I did, by the way, that top 5 piece had some printed staples. I actually took my tiny attacher and just punched a couple staples through there. And then I added some of the gold stickers here, one that says good times, and then the other on the top left there that says so lucky. So I'm going to kind of do a diagonal across the photos. And I'm thinking that I would like to do something up on the top right, but I'm going to play around with that a little bit. I haven't found quite the right thing. I'm still working on the clusters on the top, on the bottom right and the top left. So then I'm going to write Jolly Bridge. And these are my mind's eye, and I didn't write it down. Oh yeah, I did. It's a my mind's eye alpha. I didn't write it down, but I've got it right here. And it's the my mind's eye necessities blue, and it's the alpha and word sticker. So sorry about that, guys, but it's right to my left hand here. Keep the things that I scrapbook the most there to my left hand. So Jolly Bridge is going in here, and I'm just using the capital and small letters here. All right, and so then I'm kind of playing around a little bit here with some other stickers here, and I found this sticker that says happy place. I really like that sticker because this is definitely a happy place for me, but it leaves kind of like a gap there, so I have to figure out what to do about that, and I will play with that. So you know, it's a cluster of word stickers and other kinds of stickers here. The stickers from this sheet have a lot of words on them. So I'm just trying to find something that's going to fit into that space. And I found that sticker right there that says enjoy today. I'm going to slightly overlap it with the happy place. I did tuck it under the last bridge picture a little bit. I could have tucked it a little bit more, but that's close enough. So as I was finding these stickers, then I saw that banner there in the navy with the gold. So I like that because there's a little bit of gold in each spot. Kind of thinking about that phrase sticker, which I don't remember what that one says. It was another something that I liked. But then I found the Happy Days sticker, and I actually liked that a little bit better because it just was a little bit bigger. Seemed to just balance a little bit better. So I grabbed my bag here, and when I have foil or glitter paper left, I use punches. So I punch hearts and butterflies, scallop circles, that kind of thing, and then I can just add them to the layout. And I have 2 different size punches that I usually use, a medium and a small one. This small one came from Hobby Lobby. The foil paper is from Michael's years ago. I usually buy a quantity of it, and then that lasts quite a while. And I think I started really using foil and glitter paper when I did my nephew's wedding albums, and haven't stopped since because I really like that. So I'm just adding a heart into the cluster up there, and then I'm going to add one down here, trying to figure out where that should go. And it's just to bring it together. You know, I have foil already in all 3 of them, but then this is an extra one. And then there I have happiness is here. Again, just phrases that mean things about this. And my mind with these pictures more, Jolly Bridge is very much associated with the fun we have, but also the entry to the fun. So that's what a lot of these themes have to do with. All right, so there's the other one. Now I want to get some enamel dots on here because I want a different texture. So these are some new ones to me. These are Alta New, and they're the Great Glacier Caves enamel dots. I actually buy them right from Alta New because I ordered a whole bunch of colors, but I think you can get them at scrapbook.com, and a cherry on top for sure as well. And I don't know if this is one of their newer colors or one of their older colors that I just got some from, but I just did get an order, right before I moved. And I didn't really have a chance to use them because I really did just get them. All right, you guys, here's a still shot and a couple of detail shots. I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.